We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Now we remove the screen connector. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the broken screen. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. We remove the plastic protection, which function is to protect the new screen. Before glue the screen, we have to clean the old adhesive from the middle frame. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending on the color of the device. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process. Now it's time to check if the device works properly. The device is working.